Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Netflix app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, many of you are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, you are facing an issue of Netflix app, that your Netflix app is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Netflix app not working on your iPhone. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply start your Netflix app. You have to simply open the Netflix app on your iPhone and then close it and try opening it again. After restarting your Netflix app, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting your device can simply resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down, then tap on general, again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.4.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. After this, then you have to do is update your Netflix app. You have to open the app store on your iPhone and search here Netflix. Tap on Netflix. After this, then you have to do is simply tap on Netflix, and if you see any available update for the Netflix app, simply tap on update and update the Netflix app to its latest version. So guys, after updating your Netflix app and after applying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to reinstall your Netflix app from your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on the Netflix app on your iPhone and then tap on remove app, tap on delete app and delete the Netflix from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Netflix app not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.